My dear students, today let us discuss about what is the meaning of computerized accounting and why we need to learn about computerized accounting. As we know in BCom, in Usmania University and many other universities, in some semester like fifth semester we have computerized accounting. See, the meaning itself is computerization of accounting. Then here before we could learn about computerized accounting, my dear students, we have to learn what is the meaning of accounting. Accounting is a language of business. It is the process of recording, analyzing, classifying and interpreting of the financial transactions of the business. There are many activities to be done in business accounting. Actually, the very first process will be like bookkeeping. We record all the transactions in the books, then we do analysis and we do interpretation. So here business accounting will also do some kind of reporting: how much is the profit, how much is the loss, how much is the performance of the company, how much it is improved from previous year when it is compared. Likewise, means many reports are to be generated in business. Okay, then computerization means previously we used to do accounting manually. Now also some of the firms they are doing accounts manually. Means maintaining the records manually is known as manual accounting. This is one of the traditional method of maintenance of books of accounts. My dear students, there are some limitations for manual accounting. So manual accounting requires more manpower and requires some time, and it is money consuming also. So because of so much of repeated transactions every day, we need to maintain accounts. So because of the limitations of the manual accounting, most of the firms they are depending on computers for making up the accounts. So doing accounts with the help of computers and ERP packages and ERP software is known as computerized accounting. Using computers in accounting is known as computerized accounting. We are doing accounts with the help of computers. My dear students, if we go to any bank or any office, we can easily find they are doing accounts on the computer system only. Previously in banks they used to maintain ledgers. Now they are maintaining ledgers with the help of the computers and all. When ERP packages came into existence in the year 90s and 2000, between the 10 years, ERP means enterprise resources planning. Means every enterprise is having some kind of resources. Resources are scarce in nature. How efficiently we are going to use the manpower, how efficiently we are going to use the financial resources and material resources, that is all part of ERP packages. So the main intention of ERP packages is good services to the customer. Why? Because customer satisfaction is very much important to the organization. Then my dear students, other than that, the increasing of the profitability and increasing of the performance for the company is also vital. Every year the company need to show some kind of growth. So keeping in mind of customer satisfaction and the organizational growth, there are some softwares which are very much useful for the optimum use of the enterprise resources. So there are so many ERP packages. Means this is a customized uh, introduction of computers and computer software and hardware in the field of accounting and material control and all. And material control, if I speak, my dear students, so every company has to use some kind of material for the purpose of providing some kind of goods or services. So nearly 60 to 70% of the total cost is on material cost. If we concentrate on material reduction and material optimization of the usage, then the profitability will automatically increase. So keeping in mind of all these, what was happened is the companies nowadays are taking ERP packages. Means they are using hardware and they are using software in the field of accounting and in the field of HR and all. See, ERP packages nowadays are used in many companies like supply chain management, manufacturing organizations, construction companies, transport companies, and e-commerce firms, whatnot. Even education system is also using some kind of ERP packages. Means what they want to do is they want some customized satisfactory services to the customers. So here when we use some kind of software in the field of accounts, we can provide the reports very quickly to the management whenever they want. My dear students, here in this computerized accounting, we learn about Tally. Tally is a kind of accounting software which is widely used in ERP packages. So Tally 9 is the version which is available at present. It is developed by Tally Inc. Means Tally Corporation is there. So then we use some kind of educational software we are going to use. So that is for learning purpose, my dear students. When we do accounts with the help of Tally, it is also called as computerization of accounts. Means here using of a particular software in the field of accounts instead of doing manual accounting, it is known as computerization of accounts. So here computerization of accounting is having so many benefits, my dear students. Here when we enter a transaction, it automatically enters in journal, ledger, trial balance and in final accounts at a time. But when you do manually, first you have to write journal entry, then that will be posted into ledger, then it will be posted into trial balance, then it will be posted into final accounts. It's a lengthy process, one after one we need to do. It is time taking when you do manually. But whereas in case of Tally or some kind of ERP, other packages or accounting software, if you just entering a transaction, it automatically posting into various kinds of accounts and ledgers. And my dear students, in manual accounting, the final accounts are prepared at the end of the year. So sometimes it is difficult to make accounts quarterly and accounts for 6 months or likewise. But whereas when computerized accounting is introduced, we can make reports for every 3 months. Quarterly results can be declared by the for the company, and half yearly results and final year results. Means here the accounting reports can be generated whenever we need with the help of the computerization of accounts. See, my dear students, in case of manual accounting, making up some kind of reports is making up reports like sales reports, purchases reports and all, that may be taking some kind of time. But whereas when we introduced computerized accounting, we can generate these kind of reports together with ratios and ratio analysis. My dear students, in accounting we do comparative profit and loss account and comparative balance sheets and even common size statements. So doing of all those statements manually is time taking and some difficulty will be there. But whereas if we are using computerized accounting, it is very easy to make those kind of reports that can be generated. See, my dear students, in every business organization, there are some people who are interested in knowing the accounting reports of the company. Like there may be owners like proprietors and all, or there may be investors, or there may be shareholders. Means there are some people, internal parties and external parties, they want some kind of reports for the purpose of making decisions. So in such a case, here ERP packages will facilitate us in introduction of MIS. MIS means Management Information System. The information which is required by the management for making decision, that can be introduced with the help of these ERP packages. Means, my dear students, you have to understand the concept of computerized accounting. The computerization of accounting. The computerization of accounting at a glance is known as computerized accounting. Once again I am saying, my dear students, accounting is a language of business. It always speaks about recording, analyzing, classifying and reporting of the financial transactions of the business concern. It's a never ending process, my dear students. Wherever the business is there, always we go on recording the entries of the business concern. So in such a case, to facilitate a quick recording of the transactions and quick generating of the reports. Most of the companies nowadays are using computerized accounting, using of the software and using of the hardware and taking up any one kind of ERP package is known as computerized accounting. And here comes what is the meaning of ERP means: enterprise resources planning. This was very interesting in the time of 1990s and 2000. In those 10 years, most of the companies, they prefer to go for ERP packages. So why? Because they want to have a good control on the materials, they want to have a good customer relations and good customer satisfaction. So my dear students, this is all about a small introduction to computerized accounting. In coming classes I will start Tally. All the best, my dear students. If you like my video, please like it, share it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.